to open up, pull up on the latch. To remove the secondary motherboard, push down the little green tabs, which will release the handles. Pull up on both handles, straight up, to remove the card. Going to disconnect the power from both cards. To release the bracket on the graphic cards, push down on both green tabs. Locate the green tab and pull up. This will release the card from the motherboard. Repeat the same process for the second card. Pull up on the green tab and you pull up on the card. To reinstall the graphic cards, make sure the bracket is open. I'm going to line up the card. Push down evenly, and you will hear it click in. You're going to repeat the process for the other card. Line it up. And make sure to push down evenly until you hear the click. Make sure to plug in the power. Make sure to give power to both cards. To reinstall the second motherboard, make sure you line it up. Once you get to the bottom, push down and you'll hear it click. To close the lid, go line it up, bottom to top, and push down until you hear it click.